We got another crazy early look for you guys today. Shout out to the homie Sneaker Fiends. I'm gonna talk about his business in a little bit, but we got something special for y'all. Another early look, exclusive look. Let's get right into today's video, man. What's going on, everybody on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, we do early reviews like this all the time, exclusive access information, shop drop information, and I usually get all the information and I tweet it over on Twitter first because it's so easy to push out information. So, and if you want to, go follow my Twitter right now down below, linked in the description box, man. And again, shouts out to the homie Sneaker Fiends. I'm gonna put his IG up over here so you guys can go tap in with him. He has a lot of early pairs. He's always plugging a lot of people in. Super legit, 100% legit. Go tap in with him, and we're gonna have a lot more early content for you guys on the channel. Shouts out to Sneaker Fiends, man. So let's go ahead and get into this one. But real quick, man, y'all smack that like button. Your boy been going crazy with the early looks for y'all, just so you guys can get that first initial reaction to it. See if you're gonna be feeling it, see if you're gonna be passing on it, and this gives me the opportunity to see what the vintage squad is feeling, man. So sub up right now if you're new to the channel, and hit the notification bell, because like I said, we got some more early packs coming, best and believe that, man. So let's go ahead and get up into it. Shouts out to Sneaker Fiends, bro. Reached out, and now we got something cooking, bro. So let's go ahead and get into it, and you guys can see by the box. Y'all should know what these is by the box, man. Look at it. They just started doing this with the boxes, transitioning to this like kind of, you know, split up box with the elephant print and like the solid color, and you have a gold Jumpman on the top right there, super clean. And I remember like back in 2021, it was nothing but threes dropping. I was trying to cop every single one, and these right here are the Air Jordan 3 Retro white metallic copper, and these is a size 10 right here. Check them out. Like I said, if you want these early, which I'm gonna show you in a little bit, go hit up the homie Sneaker Fiends right now. And yeah, man, let's see what we got, bro. Shout out to Sneaker Fiends. You guys see the card, man. Go tap in with them, check them out. Got all this information right here. Pause if you need to, but I'm gonna link his IG in the description box. Got some stickers and stuff like that. Super neat. You know what I'm saying? Gotta throw it in there to support your brand. And again, shouts out to the homie, and let's check them out. Hold on, bro. Hold on. We have the Air Jordan 3 Wizards, man. The Washington Wizard Air Jordan 3s. These joints is high-key tough, bro. I ain't gonna cap with y'all, man. Let's go ahead and pull both of the shoes out of the box, man. Hold on. These look a lot similar to the Air Jordan 3 True Blues. Let's go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, dim that light down just a little bit so you guys can pick up the actual hits of this sneaker. I think these are scheduled to release sometime in April or May. I'm put the official date on the screen so you guys can tap in, but you guys can see by the hits, they look very, very identical to either like a True Blue 3, or I'm trying to think of another colorway, but they got a lot of similarities to those. Got a little bit of that gold colorway in there with the OG Washington Wizards you know, uniform. You know, Jordan played for the Washington Wizards, so I think this is heavily inspired from, you know what I'm saying, that time, that stint of his career when he came back the third time. I think Jordan retired what, 2-3 times, and you know what I'm saying, he played for Washington Wizards. He still wore the number 23, and then now we have these Air Jordan 3s right here, you know what I'm saying, in that Washington Wizard inspired colorway. So you guys know I had to grab them. As you can see right here, we have the Air Jordan 3 True Blues, and then right here we have the Wizards. Now I know it's gonna be a lot of people saying, you know, Jordan brand gotta be running out of ideas and stuff like that, but I don't think that's the case. They do, you know what I'm saying, resemble the Washington Wizards OG colorway jerseys, and you got the True Blue. So only difference between these two, honestly, I think that the True Blue, see, I'm confused right now. I ain't know if this is True Blues or not, but the Washington Wizard Air Jordan 3s kind of have that more defined elephant print. Maybe this pair is just older. I done beat these things up so bad. The leather on these was trash, but like more recent Air Jordan 3s we've been getting have some really, really nice tumble leather on these guys, and on Air Jordan 3 True Blues, and these retail for like $220 or $225 back when these released in 2015. This is like before my YouTube time. I remember copping these. I was like, I'm really spending this much money on this shoe, and the quality was so terrible. It was so uncomfortable, but I still end up wearing them, breaking them in and stuff like that. But here you have them Air Jordan 3 True Blues, and you got the Air Jordan 3 Washington Wizards. I think they changed the name up a little bit. I'm gonna put the name on the screen real quick so you guys can tap into it. You know, usually when we get colorways, you know, that resemble team or resemble something else, they don't name it that team name. They name it something totally different. I don't know if they got to do with, you know, copyright infringement. I'm not too sure, but I'm pretty sure when they do drop on the Nike sneakers app, they're not going to be called the Washington Wizard Air Jordan 3s. You got your Nike Air on the back of your True Blues, and then for the Wizards, you just got your regular Jumpman Air on the back. Something that people go crazy for, you guys already know, is that Nike Air, but we didn't get them with these, which is, you know, nothing too crazy. I don't mind if it got either or, but that Nike Air on the back do make it a little bit better, make it stand out a little bit more, in my opinion. But these joints right here are super nice. Nothing crazy. Like, I don't want to gas up too much. I know y'all like, damn, you think every shoe dope. But these right here are not a bad colorway at all. It's not a must need for me. Like, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, not a must need for me. But I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section, how much are you rocking out with these? Are these a must cop? Is this something that you've been wanting to, you know what I'm saying, cop since they first released the images of the sneaker? I need to see all you guys' comments, thoughts, and reaction down below in the comment section right now. And that little hit of gold on the tongue, that Jumpman on the lacing system right here, as you guys can see, has a nice little pop to it. Give it a little bit of extra color, contrast, and well, but a predominantly white Air Jordan 3, which are, you know what I'm saying, blue on the midsole and the Jumpman Air on the back. And then that elephant print is busting on the toe box and on the heel and side panels of these Air Jordan 3s right here. Super clean colorway. I think Jordan Brand did a good job. Definitely gonna be something that I think it's gonna sit on the Nike sneakers app. Not gonna be nothing crazy. Ain't gonna be like one of them exclusive sneakers. It's gonna be one of them things that's probably sitting in the mall for a couple of months, just seeing what happened with the Air Jordan 13 playoffs. Yeah, and now we got these right here. I think the same thing is definitely gonna happen. It's not even an OG colorway. But do not get me wrong, you never know. It might be some old heads out there that really want to get a pair of Air Jordan 3s that matches Jordan's old Wizards jersey, and they probably go all out, go crazy for these. And maybe some young dudes too, you know what I'm saying? Maybe they got a old school jersey when Jordan played for the Wizards, and they want to get these things right here because it's not a bad colorway at all. Just not nothing like, you know, to go crazy over. It's not a must cop in my honest opinion. It's just another, you know, Air Jordan 3. So I appreciate everybody for tapping in. Like I said, drop them comments down below. Let me know if you're going to be going after the Air Jordan 3 Wizards. We have a lot more early looks coming. I can't wait to show y'all. We got something crazy coming in. Like, I'm talking about crazy. Probably one of the best, you know what I'm saying, Jordans to release this year. I can't wait to unbox them. I can't wait to show y'all. And again, go shop with the homie Sneaker Fiends. Go see what he got cooking up for us. And tell me your boy The Vintage sent you, man. Leave a huge like on today's video. The goal for every video is 500 likes. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other early review we do, unboxing, sneaker review, shock drop, exclusive access informations. Y'all tap in by hitting the notification bell right now. My Twitter and IG will be linked down below as well, along with the homie Sneaker Fiends who supplied today's kicks. Appreciate everybody for tapping in. I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.